This tutorial is going to show you how to complete a customer application. Once you have navigated to the customer's profile, on step 1, where it says customer submits initial online application, if you are not completing the application when you are adding the customer, this is where you will go to access the application. Click the button here. You will have the acceptance into the program, kind of volunteering the information, read and agree to the terms, start the new application. Since you entered the information for the customer, that will show up later. This is about situations that the customer may have. So you'll scroll down through here and talk to them about a couple of different things, check the boxes that apply to that customer, and then you will fill out the information based on what they have answered for eligibility. These are the eligibility items. Save and go to the next page. What is their highest level of education? Save and go to the next page. What is their current work status? And this customer had indicated on the situations that they had lost their employment because of losing a business. And then you are required to add at least one employment. You will fill out all of the information. The address is optional, but the rest of the information is necessary. We do want the wage paid because that is an item that we track for reporting. Save that information. It will show up in the list. Save and go to next page. This is information that you entered for the application. You do not have to confirm the Social Security number. You do need to enter an address and the city and zip. What is the primary phone number? And the other items that are required is gender at birth. Date of birth is confirmed, military status, marital status, what ethnicity are they? Are they authorized to work in the United States? And are they registered with Selective Service? If they know their number, they can enter it, but during eligibility, you can go out and check the number. Submit the application. That step is done. We'll talk about eligibility review in the next video.